You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.